Dork. What? Dorky bird.
You gotta talk for her to talk. Try to get her to yodel again. There you go.
You did it!
Do it just like she does it. No. Go.
I can't do it anymore. She only does it like on certain occasions.
Say, oh.
Excuse me. She seems to be.
That's pretty.
I think. Wait, who do you think she likes more, me or Uncle Bill?
Oh, she talks more with you, clearly.
Yeah. Because she noticed that I'm chatty.
Yes, you could.
Yes. You want to go home? Want to go home? Want to go home? Want a peanut?
You have to shake your head.
You want a peanut? You want a peanut? You want to go? You want to go? No? Yeah? Or no? Yes? Yes or no? Yeah? Yeah? Yes? Or no? How do you say no? What?
Yeah, go. Do that. No, go. Let's see what she does.
Kellie, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're good. You're good.
Do that with your head. See if she does it.
Yeah. Yes. Or no. Yes. Yeah? You wanna go home? Wanna go? Or you wanna stay? Wanna go home? Wanna go home? That's a good enough answer, I guess. Dang, she's doing it really quickly.
You got the Stevie Wonder, huh?
The Stevie Wonder! She's having a good time. Okay, maybe should I put her up? Should I put her up?
Yeah.
Should I put her up? You like me,
So ask her
Dorothy?
if she wants to go back to her cage.
You want?
Say, do you want to go back to your cage?
You want to go back? You want to go home? You want to go home?
You want to go back to your cage?
Want to go home? Want to go home?
You want to go back to your cage?
That's probably a no. She's saying no.
Why does she do that?
She's doing it quickly, though.
She's so cute.
She's doing it super quickly, though.
I know.
She's like letting me touch her feathers and stuff on my face. Her feathers are really soft.
Woohoo!
You have a good time? 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 You know, you want to go?
I'm
You want to
fine.
go? Oh, your feet are warm. Feet are warm. That's a good enough answer, I guess. Yeah, she's not doing it, though.
She was.
Kellie, say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese. Hello. I guess she likes this shoulder. Okay. Kellie, you want a peanut? You want to
No,
go?
real close. Let's see if I can get it.
You want to go? You want to go? You want to go? You want to go? Want to go? Want to go? Want to go? Do you want to go back to your cage? Do you want to go home? Do you want to go back to your cage? Do you want me to get you off? Do you want me to get you off? Is that a no? Is that a no? That's a no? That's a no? Was that a yes? What's a yes? What's a yes for you? That's a no, I guess. I'm not sure. You know what, Dorky? Say yes. Yep. You want to go? Wanna go? Wanna?
Say yes.
Want a peanut?
Say yes.
Yes.
Say yes.
You say yes. Dude,